Want to build your own website without any coding? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a professional website using GoDaddy Website Builder in just a few simple steps. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the Website Builder section. If you don't have a plan yet, GoDaddy offers several options that suit different needs, so choose the one that fits your business or personal site best. Once you've selected a plan, click Create Your Website. You'll be prompted to choose a category for your site, such as business, portfolio, or online store. This helps GoDaddy recommend the best templates for you. Next, pick a template that fits your style. GoDaddy Website Builder has many professionally designed templates, so you can easily find one that suits your vision. Don't worry, you can customize it later. After selecting your template, you can start editing. Click on elements like text, images, or buttons to change them. You can also drag and drop new elements like galleries, forms, or videos into your website. Make sure to adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to match your branding. GoDaddy's Website Builder allows you to make these changes with just a few clicks, even if you have no web design experience. Once you're happy with your site, click Publish to make it live. Your website is now accessible to the world. And that's it. You've successfully set up your website with GoDaddy Website Builder. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more GoDaddy tips and website design tutorials.